Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to see top alliances in Kingshot. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so now the best way to do this is to open up Kingshot, and then from here on the top left hand corner, open up your profile. Now at the below, we've got different tabs. Click onto leaderboard, and now we can see the current kingdom leaderboard. So alliance is here, so these are the two. So alliance power, alliance kills are going to be at the top, also a private below that, and then neighboring kingdoms, we can check them out too, who's the top alliances in those kingdoms. And now if we go on the all kingdoms tab, this is going to be all of the kingdoms. Now if you want to see your kingdom, so for example go to world. Now I'm just going to zoom out. So as you can see, I'm zoomed out, and you can see where I'm currently in kingdom 309, but you can see all the kingdoms around us. So if we go back to where I was, I'm going back to town, going into here, and then leaderboard, you can see, yeah, these are currently the top alliance inside of my current kingdom.